Hello, I'm Michele Bisceglie. I'm the product manager for Ricoh Europe of Interactive Whiteboards and Unified Collaboration Solutions. What I'm glad to introduce today is our new interactive whiteboard, 32-inch. This is the smallest whiteboard we have in our series, and it's a brand new one. We deliver the whiteboard in both black and white colors, and some unique features. It can be positioned and installed in flat mode to create interactive tables like the one you see now, or you can put in landscape mode on the wall or in a stand, but also you can create in portrait mode installations for digital signage solutions and other kind of interactivity sessions for like this. What I would like to show you now is an example of what you can do with an interactive table. You can create contents that can be easily discussed with customers that are actually in front of you. You can rotate images, you can take annotations or rotate the full picture. With the interactivity part, you can annotate anything, rotate the screen, and start your discussions. We integrate an OPS controller, so you can integrate a standard controller or open controller that we provide, both based on Windows 10 operating systems and Ricoh applications. And we include also a capture board slot, which means that you can connect any external device through HDMI, and you can use your contents for interactivity. So meaning that you can run our applications on top of your contents, and you can create annotations and discussions on top of your content. That's all for the 32-inch. For more information, visit www.ricoh.com. Thank you.